In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make your research findings more actionable with Figma. By the end, you'll have a clear, organized workspace in Figma or FigJam where your insights are visualized, linked to concrete next steps, and ready for your team to collaborate on. First, open a Figma file or a FigJam board. I'll demonstrate in FigJam, but the same structure works in a Figma design file. On your canvas, create sections for each research topic or theme. Add a section, give it a short, descriptive title, and repeat for all your themes so everything has a defined home. Now use sticky notes to capture key insights. Add one sticky per insight, keep each note concise, and place it inside the matching section. Continue until all your findings are captured on the board. Next, group similar insights together using frames or auto layout. Drag to select related stickies, wrap them in a frame, and apply auto layout to keep spacing consistent as you add, remove, or reorder notes. Grouping this way makes patterns stand out and keeps your board tidy as it grows. If you notice an outlier, move it into the correct group so each cluster represents a single idea or theme. Now, visualize insights that include numbers. Use charts, graphs, or tables to represent quantitative data. Insert a chart, paste in your counts or percentages, and give it a clear label so viewers understand what the numbers refer to at a glance. If a table communicates the data better, add a simple table with columns like metric, value, and source. Keep visuals clean and legible so they support, not distract from, your message. Add icons or illustrations to highlight key points. Place a small icon next to an important insight, or add a simple illustration above a section header to draw attention to critical findings. Keep icon sizes consistent and use them sparingly so your highlights are meaningful. Now, color code insights to indicate priority or impact. I'll choose a limited palette. Apply one color for high priority, another for medium, and another for low. Or use colors to mark impact levels. Add a small legend at the top of the board so anyone viewing knows what each color means. Consistent color coding makes scanning the board much faster. From here, connect insights to actions. Add action steps next to each insight using text or sticky notes. Place an action note directly beside its related insight and start with a verb. Like interview 5 users, redesign checkout form, or run a /B test on headline. Keep each action specific and measurable so it's easy to execute and track. Use connectors or arrows to link insights to recommended actions. Click the connector tool, drag from the insight to its action, and if helpful, add a short label like drives, because, or leads to, so the relationship is clear. If an action addresses multiple insights, branch arrows from each insight to the same action to avoid duplication. Group actions by team, priority, or timeline for clarity. Create small clusters or mini-sections titled with the team name, such as design, product, or engineering, or arrange actions by this week, next sprint, and later. Keep the grouping consistent across the board so stakeholders instantly know where to look and what to do first. If priorities change, you can drag actions between groups without breaking the connections you've made. Now it's time to share and collaborate. Share the Figma file or FigJam board with your team. Click Share, set the appropriate access, and add teammates so they can view or edit as needed. Encourage collaboration using comments and reactions. Invite teammates to leave comments directly on insights or actions, tag owners, and use reactions to quickly upvote priorities. This keeps discussion focused and tied to the exact item on the board. Update the board as insights evolve to keep actions relevant. When new research comes in, add fresh stickies, adjust charts, recolor priorities if they shift, and move actions across timelines as they're completed or rescheduled. Regular updates ensure your research stays active, not archived. At this point, your research findings are organized, visualized, connected to specific action steps, and shared for collaborative follow-through. The workflow is set up and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.